Hi, good day, Miss Lani. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Lani B. Cruz. I'm 40 years old and I have 3 kids, which is 2 girls and 1 boy. Ages, my eldest was 19 years old, next is 18, and my youngest is 17 years old.
Okay. Please tell me about your educational background.
I finished vocational graduate. I finished healthcare services from Colegio de Montalban.
Okay. Then where do you live?
I live at 182 Orange Street, Espiritu Subdivision, Balintero, Leyte.
Okay. Then do you have siblings?
I have 3 siblings, which is I am the youngest in the family.
Okay. Then how will you describe yourself?
I am honest, cheerful, and a hardworking person. I love cooking, and I can work under pressure.
Okay. Then why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to support my kids studying and also to help with my family.
Okay. Do you have any work experience abroad?
No.
Do you have any work experience locally here in Philippines?
Yes.
Please tell me about your previous employer.
I work as a nursing assistant at Montalban Infirmary, Luis Rizal, from August 1, 2016 up to June 30, 2022. And I finished my contract for almost 6 years.
Okay. Please indicate your duties and responsibilities as nurse assistant.
As a nursing assistant, I used to get vital signs of the patient, get some information, monitor vital signs, dressing wounds, assisting nurses and doctors, and other instructions guided by the doctors.
Okay.
Aside from that, I work as a caregiver every weekend as a part-time job. I take care of male cancer patient for every weekend as my part-time job, and I work as a household worker from August 5, 2022 up to September 18, 2024. I used to work as a household worker from my employer, Flora Ramos.
Okay. Then please indicate your duties and responsibilities as helper with Mrs. Ramos.
As a household worker, I used to prepare breakfast for the family. I used to clean the house. I used to laundry, ironing, and sometimes simple gardening.
Okay. Then are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, I was. Yes, I am willing to take care of baby or toddler. I have passion in taking good care of children.
Okay. Then how will you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
I talk to them in a nice way and be calm.
Okay. Then how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
First, check the baby if it's okay, and check her diaper, check her if it's hungry, and check her temperature.
Okay. Then are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
Yes.
How do you describe your cooking skills?
I used to cook Filipino dishes, and I used to cook dishes for my family. I love to cook, and I am willing to learn some new dishes, and especially Chinese dishes.
Okay. Do you have any food allergy?
No.
Do you eat everything?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have the full consent of your family to go work abroad?
Yes.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes.
Do you drink alcohol?
No.
How about smoking?
No.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
Yes, I have a variances operation way back 2011.
Okay. And then, are you willing to share a room with the children or elderly persons?
Yes.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep at night?
Yes.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes.
Then last question, what is your final message to your employer abroad?
Hi, Mom and Sir. Good day. I am Lani B. Cruz, 40 years old, and I have 3 kids. I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, honest, and responsible. I hope you can hire me as your household worker, and I promise to finish my contract. And thank you. Have a good day.